In this video, let me show you how to use the Venmo business account. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now, in order to use your business account within Venmo, you need to first of all create a separate business profile. So in order to do this, you simply need to head over to the Me section or your profile option on the bottom right of the application. Once you're inside of this section, you'll come across a similar option which lets you tap on the Create Business Profile option. Once you're here, you need to create your business profile, starting off by adding in your name, entering in your social security number, and a bunch of other information. So as I said, you need to first of all add in your name and as well as update your username and then fill in all of the information that is asked. This allows you to create a separate profile apart from your business account that lets you accept your customer payments for a standard transaction fee. This feature also allows you to separate your business earnings from your personal funds while also gaining access to tax reporting. So this is the exact way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.